What is reincarnation? I made it 5 topics here. One is, what is the teaching of incarnation? How it happens? Is it good to know about it? How it affects our human relationships? Now let's take the first one. To really understand the law of incarnation, we must talk a little about the human composition. What is a man? For example, you have a body, and you make your body functions. So when, for example, I say, do this, do that, look like this or that, it means I am using my body. And because I am using my body, I am not the body. Sometimes it happens that your body uses you. This is very interesting. In either case, there is a duality there. You use or you are used. For example, your body says, I want to eat these things, I want to drink these things, I want to eat this poison, I want to do all these things. And you allow your body to do that, or even control you, forcing you its own free will. So this means that you are not your body, and either you are controlling your body or body is controlling you. Now, what is the purpose of having a body? The purpose of having a body is to put you in contact with the physical world and perform your duties and responsibilities on the physical plane. Now, the body must be healthy, happy, energetic. And if you misuse the body, it will create problems to you. So the first thing to do is to make your body happy, healthy, and really dynamite, so that you use the body according to the purpose that that body is given to you. See, it's so simple. But we forget that, and we let the body control us. Now, when the body is controlling you, you are lost. But if you are controlling the body, you are found. You exist. The same thing applies to our emotional life. If we are controlling our emotions, it means that the emotional body or emotional nature is not us. It is something, a device or a mechanism that we are using. Now, people differ how they are using their emotional body. Get out of here. How they are using their emotional body. Sometimes our emotions use us. And when the emotions use us, we really do not exist as independent drivers or owners of this body. It's very interesting. So you are always going to think in terms of owning these bodies and using them in the right purposes. If you start using your physical body in the right way, you will very soon realize that you are not your physical body. And many people think about this, talk about this, but they don't know about it. For example, sometimes walk and say, my body is walking, I want him to walk. Okay, I want my body stop. I want my body lay down and sleep. Now, if you start doing these very simple exercises, you will see that there is a little cleavage between you and the body is slowly becoming the body, not the owner of the body. Did you see that? That's very interesting. If you really develop that, you will gain your independence from your body. For example, let's say that your body wants to drink this bottle of whiskey. Now, create a cleavage between your body and yourself and say, body, I know you want it, but I'm not going to let you do that. Now, if you continue like this, you will see that there is a cleavage between you and the body, and you are identifying as the owner of the body, not the body. For example, if you are climbing and the body says, I don't want to climb, you say, look, I want you to climb. Now, if you make him to climb, you are seeing that you have power upon the body. See, these are very simple exercises, but it creates that division between you and the body. It is not unhealthy division, it's healthy division. Because whenever you are lost in your body, the body is controlling you. Whenever you are lost in your emotions, the emotions are controlling you. So you are going to come again back and say to your emotions, my emotional mechanism, I don't want you to hate. Now, this is very interesting. Most of you, when you start hating, you continue hating. You continue to be jealous. You continue to be in fear, in anger, in anxiety. Now, this means that your emotional body is not under your control yet. Now, how you are going to control that? Just as you control your body. For example, say, look, I am your boss, and you are not going to hate now. Because hatred will burn you, my mechanism. Hatred will create lots of disorders in the mechanism of the emotional body. So I want you not to hate. Now, when your emotional body starts obeying you, you are becoming the owner of your emotional mechanism instead of being owned by your own mechanism. Whenever you are owned by the mechanism, you are under its control. But when you own it, discipline it, and really refine and unfold it, then you are having a great mechanism in your hand, which you are not only using on the physical plane, but also you will be able to use it on the emotional plane and slowly realize that your physical life is a portion only for that great life about which you don't have yet any great idea. So how you are slowly withdrawing yourself with your identification and becoming the boss of your bodies. Because many centuries, millions of years, when the divine spark within us came down, identified with the physical body, eventually we lost our memory of what we were before, and we became body. Now we are going to reverse that process and slowly detach ourselves from the bodies with which we identified ourselves.